Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob at Feedbackwrench. We help small businesses, accountants, bookkeepers, tax professionals, financial services company, construction companies with their websites and to generate leads and sales with digital marketing. So we do search engine optimization and we do paid ads. And what I want to show you today is how we generate leads using the lead magnet system, or how do we use Facebook? How do we use LinkedIn to generate leads? Now, I'm going to show you how I do it with our website. We do this with a whole bunch of different customers, and there's a little bit of client confidentiality that goes into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we do this. Now, first off, what I want you to know is there's a lot of gurus out there. Every sector, whether it's the accountant world, or even if you're looking at builders or construction, they have you come along and buy their course for like $2,000 that shows you can generate sales. All you have to do is run a Facebook ad with a giveaway, some sort of lead magnet, a book, something that adds value, or maybe a webinar that adds value in exchange for their email address. And then you have them go to your sales page. And when they land on the sales page, you can talk them through, and hopefully they'll become a customer eventually as you email them. So I'm going to show you how we do this. Now, what you'll see from most competitors is they recommend using a system like ClickFunnels, or these cheap, chintzy little setups that really don't do very well for any customers whatsoever. I'm going to show you how we do this for our websites. And then I'm going to jump into what a real full-fledged accounting system, marketing system should look like. This is whether you're in the financial services or construction. I'm going to show you how do you actually win and get sales. And really there's two core approaches. I'll hit on it real quick. One is that you have to win in search engines. How do you take market share? By winning the core searches and making sure that you dominate there. We have a strategy that works. And then over here, you want to go after your niche and build a relationship with them. This requires you to write emails, run these lead magnet type ads. But let me show you how we do this. We build websites that do some really cool stuff. So the first part is that you would write some sort of, whether it's a guide that's written or a video that actually helps people. Okay. So what we've done here, this is called the sales page. Okay. And the sales page is supported by a Facebook ad. And let me show you. So this is the landing page. I'll show you what my Facebook ad looks like. I took a screenshot of it. And basically what you'll see is I have kind of a story or some copy right here. It's funny. I'm talking about Facebook lead ads. And here I say, I don't even say the word Facebook lead ad. But the idea is that we will help you build an ad that's targeted to people. Then what we do is we push them towards a squeeze page. And this is a sales page here. So now in this instant, we've made it look like it's a masterclass. We're trying to embody this idea that they're going to get something, right? Maybe it's a quick guide, maybe it's an ebook, whatever it is. But we want to be very clear about what we're doing. So this is a video on how to grow a super profitable accounting business, which I did in the past. So that's the first thing, is you have to have a relevant, good thing. In fact, this pushes to a video for me that has tens of thousands of views. People watch it for over 8 minutes. And I'll get to that in just a second. So we've got this graphic that we create for you. We've got about 12 different graphics we can create. And then we have a little bit of sales copy here, and then a very simple form fill out. If you hit the play button, we have a video that will actually pull up. And this video, what's up, guys? My name is Rob, and I own Feedbackwrench. We help accountants and bookkeepers, tax professionals, other businesses. But what I want to show you here is I've got a download. This is a video that you're going to be able to watch that's about 20 minutes of the best advice that I have for accountants and bookkeepers. So long story short, that's all very true. This is my most successful accountant video, and I'm bringing it to the Facebook community. And the Facebook community, and what I'm doing here is I'm helping them get it. So a little explainer there, a little bit of sales copy. The video is full of practical, actionable advice. Now, here's what happens. When I fill this out, this is going to trigger what's called a custom conversion, okay? So when I fill out this form, it's going to push me to the place where they can actually watch this. The other thing I'm going to do is now I'm going to email them a link to this resource, or it could be a PDF of what we're about to give away. But the idea here is they'll come and they'll fill this out. They do this after clicking the Facebook ad. And as you hit this, what you'll see is that this redirects to a sales page. And this sales page, now this is my actual resource here. This video is what they're going to want to watch. It provides excellent value. I have a second article or a second video that I made about entrepreneurship versus just being an accountant. And then underneath it, we have our full-fledged sales content, right? I've got everything from my reviews to customer testimonials to what our websites look like. And we build this for other customers. So the keys to have this going well is now I have the email address. Now I'm able to swoop in and provide good value. And that's the idea, is that you don't spam people, but if you show up in their inbox periodically on a consistent basis with actual valuable content, you're able to build a relationship. Now, besides just setting this up, again, if you take a look at this, these are clean. We have a full-time designer that makes them really nice. We are able to do really simple pages like this. This is a squeeze page, and we can have more information on there if we want. But the principle is we will make this look excellent. Most of the other solutions out there, like ClickFunnels and all these other websites, they look like trash. Their whole marketing system is based on simplicity. We got you for simplicity. We got this. We can do this, okay? And not only that, but our system integrates just with your normal website. And that normal website will cause those email leads. We can connect it via Zapier or whatever it is to your CRM, to your email automation system. And now we can create one or two more sales pages that ultimately just helps you sell yourself over and over and over again. Hopefully they'll book a consultation with you, right? That's another thing that we do is when you go to schedule consultation here. And if you were to, now I focus on myself often here because I have so many YouTube videos, but if you come here and fill out, so Rob, what you'll see here, oh, I don't need that. What you'll see here is that this redirects to my Calendly link. And now people can schedule their own initial consultation. Now here's real quick, I'm just going to end on this. If you want to do this, you need to do it right. So we will make it look great. We will have it function well. We will set in a whole bunch of automation for you. But here's the other key, is that we're going to set up what's called the machine learning system. And basically what this is we set up your conversions and your audiences well in Google and in Facebook and on LinkedIn, so that the conversion action triggers the machine learning systems. And here's what that means to you. Over time, we will tell Google and Facebook that we want these specific things to happen. This form in particular is what I want to have occur. And what will happen over time is it will improve on itself. It will start to realize who is it that's actually converting. And it knows that if it creates more of that, you'll be more likely to spend more often. So it knows that you will spend more money and you will be more thrilled about using them if you have success. And that's what taps into, like, Google is monitoring and Facebook is monitoring all sorts of creepy stuff about us. That's how you tap into the best version that will create the most wealth in your favor, really. So if you like the idea of getting this set up well, and you want a website that actually converts, that actually helps you close clients, that has trust factors like reviews, testimonials, and showing your work, if you want to have good, clear messaging, if you want to have some amazing, gorgeous websites, I would just tell you, give us a call. Head to schedule a consultation on my website here, and we will help you build more sales. My kids are going crazy out there. We'll help you fill your sales funnel, and that's really what it is. Our values are to be trustworthy, competent, enjoyable, and rigorous as we serve you. We're a small business. We're based out of Minneapolis here. And when we work with you, I think this is what's much different than most folks. First of all, we understand excellent design, amazing copywriting, like sales copywriting, and we know the marketing systems and SEO deeply. And I think that we're unique there. Most firms are either getting, I do Facebook ads or I do paid search ads, but none of them understand how to really wrap it all together to create sales and how to create sales in a growing fashion over time. The other thing is that we understand customers. I was a salesperson at Best Buy for 10 years. I was a restaurant server. I have served and sold to thousands and thousands of people before I even got into B2B sales. I have my Series 7, Series 66 investment licenses. I had my life and health insurance investment. I did that for just a little bit. And then I built my own accounting firm, and I built it from 0 to 150 small businesses just hustling as hard as I could. I understand value. I understand how customers think. I understand how B2B works, and I understand how direct to consumer works. We are able to put sophisticated psychological signals in your website to cause people to lean in, and we do it for you. That's the other thing, is that we're going to take on all your homework and finish this for you. And I think that's a big differentiator. You're going to go to a lot of folks, you're going to spend $2,000 or $4,000 on some sort of course that's going to tell you, now go do homework. We're going to do your homework for you. And we're going to do it. This is a calling for us. I would just add, I'm Jesus boy. I'm a Christian. And it's okay if you're not. But for me, this is all about being an excellent steward with every single opportunity that we have. We want to follow through. And this is why we have 76 5-star reviews right now, because when we work on behalf of a customer, we're acting as though this was ourselves. Now, that's not to say we don't have troubles every once in a while, but this is truly a calling. We want to maximize your business profits because I know it'll help your family. I know that your marriage will benefit if we get your sales right in your business. I know that your communities will do better. I know that you'll be able to provide jobs. I'm kind of a liberty-based guy, and we'd love to help you. So if you like the idea of doing that, and our setups are, probably we do small, medium, and large. I'll hit on pricing. Let's just talk about pricing real quick. When you come here, all you'll see is that we kind of have a small, medium, and large, okay? And depending on what you're doing, it's either $750 to $1,500, $1,500 to $6,500, or $6,500 to $15,000. Now, that might sound huge, but here's what I'll tell you. We're going to do all the writing for you. We're going to deeply understand your customer. If you talk to any of my clients, they will tell you that I understand how customers think and what will cause people to trust you and choose you better than just about anybody else that you're going to visit with. Everything that we do, it's about messaging, the website, the marketing machine hookup, ads, and we will make sure that when you're done, you have a tool that absolutely helps you dominate. And I tell you what, most small businesses, they're usually between $1,500 and $6,500 for good small businesses that want to have something that will create sales. And I know this sounds typical, but I'm telling you, we will make sure that this website pays for itself so drastically that you won't know what to do. And we really serve as your outsourced team too. We serve as a web team for people. We will do the stuff for you, run the campaigns. We make life easy for you. So good luck. God bless. If you like the idea of working with us, I tell you what, just go to my website, hit schedule a consultation, fill out your simple information. You can book on my calendar, and we'd be honored to earn your business. Thank you so much for your time.